sickness, then the shock when you flip it on me. So hollow, so vicious, so afraid I couldn't let myself see that I could never be held back or up, no, I hold myself. Check the rep, yep, you know my well. Forget the rest, let them know my hell. There and back, yet my soul ain't sell. Kept respect up, the best they fail. Let the rest be the tale they tell. That I was there saying, and these promises broken, deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go, go, go. Test my will, test my heart. Let me tell you how the odds gonna stack up. Yeah, I go hard, I go smart. How's that working out for y'all in the back, huh? I've seen that frustration, been crossed and lost and told no. And I've come back unshaken, let down and lived and let go. So you can let it be known, I don't hold back, I hold my own. I can't be mapped, I can't be cloned. I can't see flat, it ain't my tone. I can't fall back, I came too far. Hold myself up and love my scars. Let the bells ring wherever they are, cause I was there saying, and these promises broken, deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go. No, you can tell them all now. I don't back up, I don't back down. I don't fold up and I don't bow. I don't roll over, don't know how. I don't care where the enemies are. Can't be stopped, all I know go hard. Won't forget how I got this far. But every time saying, and these promises broken, deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go, 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 I remembered black skies, the lightning all around me. I remembered each flash as time began to burn, like a startling sign that fate had finally found me. And your voice was all I heard.